Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can enable rulers for orientation in your documents and notebooks on Goodnotes in 2026. So let us dive into this. Let me just rotate that page for better visibility. So as what you want to do is, there are two ways how you can enable the ruler. Option number one, you navigate to your document settings in the top right by clicking into these three dots. You click into toolbar customization. Here switch from tools to accessories or accessories. Excuse my poor pronunciation here. And add the ruler to your toolbar, and you will see it here at the top. So that's one way. Option number two would be to navigate to this option here to the right, and below the record and summarize feature you will see show ruler, and you may enable it here. So if I again enable it through the toolbar customization, clicking into plus, click into done, you will see it here, and now you can use the ruler here by left clicking into it by holding your left mouse, and use it for orientation here in centimeters, I guess. That's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.